delicious. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a very Satvik, or you can call it a Jain recipe with the raw bananas. So I'm not using any potatoes, I'm replacing it with raw banana. We are not using onions and we're replacing it with cabbage. And that's very interesting. And we're also going to be using no ginger, no garlic. And let's get started. Just heat the pan and add some jeera. And it is amazing that even without the oil, the jeera will be roasted, it will start to crackle, and the aroma, you're going to love it more than ever before. Can you just see it started to crackle? Now we add some green chilies. This is cabbage, which I have already steamed it, and now I'm going to be blending it into the mixie instead of onions. If anybody who's not wanting a Jain recipe can actually use the onion, steam it and use it. So my cabbage puree is ready. Put it into the pan and stir it well. Stir it till the rawness goes away of the cabbage. And now you can actually put the tomato puree, and stir it well again. Here we are adding some hing and some haldi. Stir it well again. A bit of salt in it. And we need to cook it till the rawness goes away. Here we are putting again the capsicum. And can you imagine that there is not a drop of oil in this vegetable? Now who says you need oil to cook? Some dhania powder, coriander powder, Garam Masala, red chilli powder. Now the chilies can be according to the taste you want it. Stir it well and let the masalas cook with the gravy. The raw banana, which is steamed and chopped. Raw banana is very, very healthy and very neglected. We need to bring it into our diet. Add some water. This is Kasturi methi. I've roasted the Kasturi methi and now just crush it and add it to the vegetable. It will add an amazing aroma to the vegetable. Keep stirring it. And now we add cashew paste, 2 tablespoons of cashew paste. Can you just see how rich the vegetable has become? And now you can add some water. And you can add the water according to how thick you want the gravy. If you want a lot of gravy, then you can add more water. Here is at the end, add amachoor powder, raw mango powder. Transfer it to the serving bowl. Add a little bit of the garnishing with the coriander leaves and serve it with love. It's delicious.